Hey guys, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who That Teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? I got another easy peasy for you. It's called That's the Way Love Goes. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction as a friendly reminder. If you're interested in the step-by-step, the dance along with the music, I'll post it at the end of this video. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you want to move your body, I recommend line dancing. Please contact me at 504-251-0674. And guys, we are getting ready for the NOLA Southern Experience. I hope you're registered, and if you're not, why not? It is a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. Please go over to our website, check it out. Registration is open and you can book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. So are you ready? Let's go. So this is a 4-walk dance, and it's just, I think, a 32 count if I'm not mistaken, and it moves counterclockwise, okay? So we're gonna stand on this side of the room and look here in this direction. Y'all see I got my long sleeves on? I love long sleeves. I was just waiting for it to get cool enough. It looked like, it's drunk on me a little bit. Okay, so here we go. So it's going to start with a cross step, which we don't normally do. We normally don't start a line dance with a cross step. So the weight is on the left, cross, step, cross, and cross. Cross, step, cross, and cross. Let me turn this way so you can see it. My weight is on the left, cross, step, cross, and cross. Okay? So this particular step, when we do on the right, we're going to do on the left also, okay? The weight is on the left, 5, 6, 7, and cross, step, cross, and cross. And my weight is on my right, and I'm going to rock out left, right, left, right. And then my weight is on my right, my left heel is up, and then I'm going to cross with the left. Cross, step, cross, and cross, rock, right, left, okay? Let's do that again. So, instructors, if people are a little challenged, they don't have to cross necessarily directly across. They can kind of go diagonal on the ankle, okay? 5, 6, 7, cross. Right, left, right, rock, left, right, cross. Left, right, rock, right, left, okay? Let's put the count to that. 5, 6, 7, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here, this is a beginner's dance, but this is going to be a turn. Step back on the right, quarter turn, clap. Step, clap. Then make another quarter turn forward with a shuffle. Left, right, left. Okay? So you turn back, quarter turn, right, tap left, and clap at the same time. So quarter turn to your right, 1, 2, you're going back to your left with a shuffle, 3 and 4, pivot half, 5, 6, and shuffle up, 7 and 8, right, left, right, okay? Again, we did a quarter turn, right shoulder back, 1, clap, 2, go back to your left with a shuffle, left, right, left, 3 and 4, weight is on the left, step pivot half with the right shoulder coming back, 5, 6, which right, left, and shuffle up, 7 and 8. So let's put that together. 5, 6, from the top. Cross, step, cross, rock, left, right, cross, left. Cross, step, step, rock, right, left, step back, quarter touch, shuffle left, quarter left, pivot half, shuffle right, left, right. Okay? Now, from here, we did a step touch with a quarter turn. We're going to do the same thing on the left. Quarter left, step touch, which is left, right. And then we're going to shuffle right, left, right, left, right, left, tap. I'm going to come back and get you, and we at our next walk. Okay, so we come back, 1, tap, 2. On the left, shoulder come back, quarter turn. Shuffle up on the right, quarter turn to your right. 3 and 4. Step 5, left shoulder come forward. 6, left, right, cross 7, tap out 8. All right, so on the first part, you do two shuffles. On this one, you're gonna only do 1. So when you come back on your left, step, touch, go back to your right with a shuffle. Right, left, right. Okay, we're gonna do a quarter turn. Now we're gonna do a quarter turn with left, right, and then cross, touch. So let's put that together from the top. 5, 6, 7, and cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter right with a touch. Quarter left. Shuffle left. Half turn. Shuffle again. Right, left, right. Quarter left with a touch. Shuffle right, right, left, right. Quarter right, left, right, left, right. So let me go over this. So just take a look at this here. So on this part here, just watch me on this part. When you come back on your left with the left tap, that's a quarter, right? Then you're going to go back to your right with a shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle. Now, you're not going to stay at this wall. You need to make another turn. Okay? So that's 2 turns we did. We did this turn, left come back, left touch. Shuffle right, that's another turn. Right, left, right, quarter right. Then we're going to do another quarter right. Left, right, left, out, right. Okay? So that movement, you're doing 3 turns. From here, left shoulder come back, quarter turn. Right, a quarter turn to your right with a shuffle, right, left, right. Then another quarter turn to your right, left, right, cross left, tap out right. So that quarter turn is the last quarter turn. It's all about getting you to your next wall. So we go right, left, left, there's that turn, right, then cross, cross, and tap out. Okay? So again, let me walk you through it again with your cross step. Cross, step, cross, step, cross, cross, rock, left, right, cross, step, cross, rock, right, left. So at this same wall, what you do on the right, you do on the left. You cross on that right, going to your left. You cross on your left, going to the right. Okay? Now, here's your first turn. Back on your right and tap. Then we do another turn. But we're not going to do a step, touch. Step, touch. We do a shuffle with a quarter turn to our left. Left, right, left. Step, pivot, half, finish up. Right, right. Okay? We're done. Now, we do the same thing on the left. The left come back, step, touch. Then we shuffle to this wall, just like we did the other one. Quarter turn, shuffle, shuffle. Now the turn again to our right. Left, right, cross, tap. And that's the dance. So let's put it together with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter. 1, 2. quarter, 3 and 4, half 5, 6 shuffle, 7 and 8, quarter 1, 2, quarter 3 and 4, quarter 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a good way to call it. Quarter, quarter. Each time you make a turn. Okay? And lets you know your student's supposed to be making a turn. Quarter, quarter, half, shuffle, quarter, 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 step, cross, tap. All right? So that is the dance. That's the way love goes. It's a pole wall dance that moves counterclockwise. Would you do me a favor? If you have any questions or comments, would you leave them in the comment box? Also, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so the video can come looking for you. And also, talking about looking, I'm looking for you at the NOLA Southern Experience. 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Instructor, if you've never been to a line dance event out of town, ask around. Ask about the NOLA Southern Experience. We would love to see you and your crew. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. That is the step-by-step instruction for That's the Way Love Goes. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with my long sleeves on.